Assalamualaikum everyone. Good morning. I hope you all are doing well at your home. And today's our online lesson. So we are learning about chapter number one, that is exploring window. And today we will learn about some. We will do some practical work. Before doing some practical work, I will. There is some recap question that I have to revise you. So the first one is we in the previous lesson we learned about what is computer. So basically computer is known as an electronic machine because it is used to store the data for all of you. ठीक है, अगर आपने कोई डाटा स्टोर करना है then you can use the computer. And why it is known as the electronic machine, there is a question why it is known as electronic machine. So we discussed in the previous lessons that it is known as the electronic machine because it uses the electricity. That's why it is known as the electronic machine. Okay, and after that we learn about the different part of computer. There are four part of computer. So the first one is CPU, then monitor, then mouse and keyboard. So basically the CPU is the brain of computer and the full form of the CPU is central processing unit. Okay, so a central processing unit, and it is also known as the brain of computer. Why it is known as the brain of computer? Because it is used to control all the activities and functions of the computer. So that's why it is known as the brain of computer. Okay, and after that we learn about the keyboard. So keyboard basically is used to type the numbers and letters on a screen. So and it's also we discuss about how many keys are there on a keyboard. So there are 104 keys on the keyboard. We are not saying there are 104 buttons on a keyboard. We are saying keys on a keyboard because the buttons that are on the keyboard are known as keys. So that's why we say there are 104 keys on the keyboard. And after that we learn about the mouse. So mouse basically is used to mouse is a pointing device. For example, now look at here, this is the arrow. If I move my finger on the mouse pad, then the arrow will move accordingly. ठीक है, so that's why it is a pointing device because it show the point on which we are working. ठीक है, तो ये वो it is a pointing device and it is used to point things on a monitor पर आपको जो चीज़ें हैं उसको point करता है. Okay, and after that we learn about we learn about how many buttons are there on a mouse. So there are 2 or 3 buttons on a mouse: the left button, right button, and the scrolling wheel. Okay, and after that we learn about the monitor. So this screen is also is known as the monitor because and it is used to show the output on the screen. ठीक है, आपको ये स्क्रीन पर आउटपुट शो कराता है. Okay, this is the recap about the previous lesson. So now we are going to start some practical work. In the practical work we will learn about the Windows 10 desktop features. ठीक है, हम पहले डेस्कटॉप के फीचर्स को देखेंगे एंड आफ्टर दैट वी लर्न अबाउट हाउ टू अपडेट द सॉफ्टवेयर if there is any updations required updation, then how we can update the software. And after that we learn about how to run the troubleshoot. What is troubleshoot? We will learn about this in this lesson. And after that we learn about the last practical work, that is how to free up डिस्क स्पेस. अगर आप लोगों की जो कंप्यूटर है उसमें स्पेस का इशू आ रहा है, देन हाउ वी कैन फ्री द स्पेस in our computer. Okay, so we will learn these 4 practical work in this lesson. Okay, so the first practical is Windows 10 desktop features. We will learn about what is desktop and the features of the desktop. Okay, so anyone who can tell me what is desktop? If you know the answer, then you can write it in the comment section. Basically desktop is the first screen that appear when we start the computer or laptop. जब भी हम लैपटॉप या कंप्यूटर को स्टार्ट करते हैं, जो फर्स्ट स्क्रीन आपको शो होती है इज नोन एज द डेस्कटॉप. उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? डेस्कटॉप. सो this one is the desktop. ठीक है, ये आपकी फर्स्ट स्क्रीन है that appear on a computer whenever we switched on the computer. So this is the first screen and it is known as a desktop. So now you can see there are a lot of small pictures. यहाँ पर बहुत सारी small pictures हैं. These are known as icons. इनको हम क्या कहते हैं? These are icons. Okay, so the small pictures that appear on our desktop screen is known as icons. ठीक है, जो भी स्मॉल पिक्चर आपको डेस्कटॉप पर शो होंगी उनको हम क्या कहेंगे, आइकन. Okay, so there are these are the icons for the applications, these are the icons for the files, and this yellow one is the icon of a folder. Okay, so these all are known as the icon because they are small in size. And after that we learn about this one, this background picture. This is your wallpaper. ठीक है, आपके background पर जो भी आपको picture show होगी, it is your wallpaper. उसके बाद हम क्या कहेंगे, हमने क्या रीड करना है, दिस वन. नाउ यू कैन सी देयर इज अ ब्लैक bar at the bottom of your screen, desktop screen, that is known as taskbar. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, taskbar. So this is your taskbar. This long bar at the bottom of your desktop is known as taskbar. Okay, so this one is your start button or a start menu. Now you can see if I point a cursor on it, so there is a word that is start, so it is known as a start menu or a start button. Okay, if you click on it, then you can see you can shut down your computer from here, you can restart your sleep mode, you can use this button. Okay, so you can use this icon. And there is a search bar. You can write if you want to search any type of application, if you want to do some setting, if you want to search some document, then you can search from here. Okay, and after that there is one more thing, that this one is known as a search bar. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, search bar. यहाँ पर आप देखें तो this one is your search bar. If you click on it, this is your search bar. And after that there are different type of icons on the on your taskbar. These are known as your क्विक लॉन्च टूल बार. ठीक है, इनको हम क्या कहते हैं, क्विक लॉन्च टूल बार. दिस आर योर क्विक लॉन्च टूल बार. ओके, दिस इज योर क्विक लॉन्च टूल बार. This is your start menu, this is your search bar, these are quick launch toolbar, and this one is known as this area from here to here. ठीक है, ये वाला पार्ट जो आप लोगों का है, this one is known as system tray. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं, system tray. This is system tray. This is your clock. ये वाला एरिया है, this is your clock. This one is used for notification, ये आपको notification देगा. This is your clock, and this one is known as your, and the complete this side is known as system tray. Okay, so these are the features of the desktop. We learn about what is desktop. So basically desktop is a screen that appear on a computer when we start the computer or a laptop. And after that we learn about the icons. So icons are the small images that appear on the screen. We learn, and then we learn about the wallpaper. So wallpaper is a backdrop images, background image. And the last one we learn about the taskbar. So taskbar is a horizontal, this is a horizontal line that is located at the bottom of the screen, desktop screen. ये desktop है, इसके bottom पर आपको ये horizontal line नजर आ रही है. So desktop taskbar is a horizontal bar at the bottom of your desktop. Okay, so and it consists of start menu, search bar, quick launch toolbar, and the system tray. क्या क्या है आपके टास्क बार पर, स्टार्ट मेन्यू, सर्च बार, quick launch toolbar, and system tray. Okay, is it clear to everyone? So this is your first practical. We learn about the window 10 desktop feature. Is it clear? Now we are going to start the second one, that is how to update our software. अगर आप लोगों के सॉफ्टवेयर में कोई अपडेट आई है तो how we can update it, हम उसको कैसे अपडेट कर सकते हैं. Now we are going to discuss about it. Okay, so there are some steps, we will follow it and see how we will update the software. Okay, to how to update a software. For this we have to go to the setting. How we can go to the setting, you have to click on the search bar that is present on the task bar. कहाँ है search bar आपकी task bar पे. First you have to go to the search bar and click on the setting. Search bar, first you have to click on the search bar that is present located on the task bar, and after that you have to click on setting. किसके ऊपर आप लोगों ने click करना है, you have to click on setting. Setting के बाद you have to search updates. Okay, now you can see window update setting, you have to click on it. Okay, now you can see there is window update. For this purpose, now you can see दीज आर द अपडेशंस। यहाँ पर आप लोगों को जो भी अपडेट आप लोग को दी हुई है, आई हुई है आप लोग के लिए, वो आप लोग को शो होंगी कि ये वाली इस सॉफ्टवेयर में ये वाली अपडेशन हो सकती है। देन यू सिंपली डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल यू सिंपली डाउनलोड एंड इंस्टॉल इट फ्रॉम हियर। आप इसको यहाँ से इंस्टॉल कर सकते हैं, इसको डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं, एनी न्यू अपडेशन, ठीक है। अगर कोई भी न्यू अपडेट आई है देन यू कैन गो थ्रू फ्रॉम दीज स्टेप्स, ठीक है। आप ये स्टेप्स को फॉलो कर सकते हैं, यू कैन फॉलो दीज स्टेप्स। फर्स्ट हाउ यू कैन डू इट, आई एम सेइंग इट अगेन। फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द सर्च बार, आपने सर्च बार पर जाना है, एंड देन यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द सेटिंग पे जाने के बाद यू हैव टू सर्च फॉर अपडेट, ठीक है। आपने क्या करना है, यू हैव टू सर्च अपडेट, okay, window update setting. Now you can see there are a lot of suggestions about the update. You have to click on window update settings, okay. आपने किस में जाना है, window update settings में. Now there is this box, the first box is about the updations. जो भी updations आप लोग के कंप्यूटर में आई हुई हैं, you can see it, and after that if you require if you want to update your software, you can simply click on download and install from here, okay. So this is how we can update our window, ठीक है। यहाँ से हम अपनी विंडो को अपडेट कर सकते हैं। Is it clear to everyone? So again I'm repeating, the first step is first you have to click on the search bar that is located on the taskbar, and after that you have to click on the settings. आपने किस में जाना है, सेटिंग्स में, और सेटिंग्स में जाने के बाद आप लोग अगर यहाँ पर देखें, यहाँ पर आपका विच वन, दिस इज योर लेफ्ट पैनल, तो यहाँ पर बिल्कुल लास्ट ऑप्शन है आपका विंडो अपडेट, और यू कैन सर्च फ्रॉम द सर्च बार, ठीक है। यहाँ पर जो सर्च बार है आप वहाँ से भी विंडो अपडेट को सर्च कर सकते हैं, एंड यू कैन फाइंड आउट द विंडो अपडेट ऑप्शन फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट साइड, ठीक है। एंड जब आप लोग ये फाइंड आउट कर लेंगे देन यू हैव टू क्लिक, if there is any updation, then you have to if you want to update your window, then you have to click on the download and install option. Is it clear to everyone? So this is your practical number 1, that is practical number 2, that is how to update a software. Now we will do the third practical, that is how to run the troubleshoot, ठीक है। Before doing this practical we will learn about what is the troubleshoot, ठीक है। troubleshoot क्या होता है, so basically troubleshoot for example if something on your computer is not working, आप लोगों का जो कंप्यूटर है उसके ऊपर कुछ वर्क नहीं कर रहा, then this troubleshoot might help find and fix the problem for you. ये जो troubleshoot है ये क्या करता है आप लोग के लिए, it will find out the problems ऑन योर डिवाइसेस। आपकी जो डिवाइस है उसमें जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं ये उसको फाइंड आउट करेगा, एंड देन इट विल फिक्स इट, ये उसको क्या कर देगा, फिक्स कर देगा। सो बेसिकली ट्रबल-शूट इज helping you to find out and fixing the problems that you have faced while using the computer, okay. So now we are going to discuss about how we can run a troubleshoot in our computer. हम अपने कंप्यूटर में एक troubleshoot को कैसे रन कर सकते हैं, okay. Again first you have to click on the search bar, ठीक है। आप किस में जाएंगे, फर्स्ट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द सर्च बार, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द सेटिंग। आप दोबारा सेटिंग पे जाएंगे, एंड सेटिंग्स में जाने के बाद यू हैव टू क्लिक ऑन द प्राइवेसी एंड सिक्योरिटी। कहाँ, प्राइवेसी एंड सिक्योरिटी, जहाँ यहाँ पर आप जाने के बाद आप लोग यहाँ पर सर्च करें। नाउ यू हैव टू सर्च ट्रबल शूट, ठीक है। नाउ यू कैन सी हियर, ठीक है, दिस इज योर ट्रबल शूट ऑप्शन दैट इज यूज टू फाइंड आउट एनी टाइप ऑफ प्रॉब्लम इन योर कंप्यूटर, एंड इट विल फिक्स इट। आपको क्या कर देगा, आपके कंप्यूटर को जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं उनको क्या कर देगा, फिक्स कर देगा। नाउ देयर इज फिक्सिंग इशू, सो यहाँ पर आई डिलीटेड ऑल द फाइल दैट इज प्रेजेंट इन माई रिसाइकल बिन। जो मेरी रिसाइकल बिन में थी उसको मैंने क्या कर दिया है, आई डिलीटेड, मैंने इसको डिलीट कर दिया है। नाउ वी विल सी हाउ मेनी स्टोरेज इज फ्री इन माई computer now. The previous one is 91 something, 91.2, and now the used memory is 89.8 because I deleted the recycle bin material, so that's why that's how we can free our computer space, ठीक है। space हम अपने disk की कैसे increase कर सकते हैं, कैसे free कर सकते हैं, we can delete the files from our computer with the help of delete option, okay, and after that our space will free up, ठीक है। अब देखिए पहले कितनी थी, 91.8, and after deleting the files from the recycle bin I increased my storage, okay, मैंने अपनी जो स्टोरेज है फ्री स्टोरेज है उसको इंक्रीज कर दी, दैट इज 28.1, the previous one is 26.1, now it is 28.1. so that's how you can delete your files. If you delete your files from desktop or any kind of desktop document images, ठीक है, आपने किसी भी फोल्डर से उसको डिलीट किया, देन अगेन यू हैव टू डिलीट इट फ्रॉम द रिसाइकल बिन। आपको उसको रिसाइकल बिन से भी डिलीट करना पड़ेगा, देन आपकी जो स्पेस है वो क्या हो जाएगी, आप लोग की इंक्रीज हो जाएगी। सो दैट्स हाउ वी कैन फ्री अप द स्पेस ऑफ आवर computer, Okay, so we learn in this lesson we learn about the features of the window 10. After that we learn about the how we can update the software. After that we learn what is troubleshoot and how we can run the troubleshoot, and the last one we learn about how we can free up the disk space. Okay, we can free up the disk space by deleting the files that are not needed or required, and after that deleting the files from any kind of folder. We have to delete it from your रिसाइकल बीन, हमें उस रिसाइकल बीन से भी उसको डिलीट करना पड़ता है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर टू एवरीवन? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर टुडेज लेसन. You have to do this practical at your home on your computer, or you can do this on your mobile too. अपने मोबाइल पे भी इसको कर सकते हैं. Is it clear to everyone? That's all for today. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.